Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a to-do list in Kilonotes. Just open the app and go to create a notebook, and next to the cover, choose Inside Pages, and now you can browse these types of pages until you find to-do list. Confirm creation. And now you can have this template. Click on it and write your daily tasks. Be kind, that's the most important. And of course you can use your handwriting as well, and it's a nice way to organize your day. I hope it helps. Have a nice and productive day.